Welcome to Let's Talk English.
Hello, my friend, and welcome back to our English practice time.
Hi, everyone. Hello. It is so nice to be here with you again.
Today, we have a very useful and very real topic.
Yes, very real. Because many people, many English learners, feel a little nervous when they go to a cafe and want to order coffee.
That is right. Sometimes you walk into a coffee shop and you think, oh no, what do I say?
Yes, and sometimes the menu is big and confusing, and people are waiting behind you, and you feel pressure.
Yes, pressure. But do not worry. Today, we will practice together, slowly, clearly, step by step.
And by the end of this video, you will feel more confident, more relaxed, and ready to order your coffee in English. And before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us in a slow, clear, and friendly way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and it helps you continue learning every day.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's begin.
Okay, David, imagine we are walking into a coffee shop.
Yes, I open the door and I walk in.
What do you feel?
I feel a little excited and maybe a little nervous.
That is normal. Many people feel that way.
So the first step is very simple.
Yes, very simple.
You go to the counter and you smile.
Smile. Yes, smiling is important.
Then the staff, the worker, will say something like, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Let's repeat that slowly. What can I get for you?
This means, what do you want to order?
Now, let's say you want a simple coffee.
Very simple, like black coffee.
You can say, "I would like a coffee, please."
Again, slowly.
I would like a coffee, please.
This is a very important sentence.
Yes, very important, very useful.
You can use it in many situations.
Now, let's practice with different drinks.
David, what if I want a latte?
Good question. You can say, "I would like a latte, please."
Okay, what about a cappuccino?
I would like a cappuccino, please.
What about iced coffee?
Very popular. You say, "I would like an iced coffee, please."
Let's repeat together, slowly. Now, sometimes the staff will ask you a question.
Yes, a very common question.
What size would you like?
Let's repeat that.
This means small, medium, or large.
So you can answer, "I would like a small coffee."
Or, I would like a medium coffee.
Or, "I would like a large coffee."
Let's repeat. Sometimes I say big.
Yes, many learners say big, and it is okay. People understand. But large is better.
Now, another question.
Yes, very common.
Do you want milk or sugar?
Let's repeat. Do you want milk or sugar?
So, how do you answer?
You can say, "Yes, I want milk."
Or, no, thank you.
Or, more complete, "I would like milk, please."
And for sugar, I would like sugar, please.
Let's repeat the key phrase.
Okay. Now let's do a full conversation.
Yes, like real life.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, I would like a latte, please.
What size would you like?
I would like a medium, please.
Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, I would like sugar, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Very good. Very natural.
Yes, simple, clear, and polite.
Now, maybe you want to know the price.
Yes, very important.
You can ask, how much is it?
Repeat. How much is it?
Or, how much is the coffee?
Very good.
Now, you are ready to pay.
Yes, money time.
The staff may say, that will be $3.
Or that will be $5.
Then you say, here you go.
Repeat. Here you go.
Or you can say, thank you.
Always say thank you. Very important.
Now, maybe you do not want to stay.
Yes, maybe you are busy.
You can say, to go, please.
Repeat. To go, please.
Or, for here, please.
If you want to sit in the cafe.
Okay, now it is your turn.
Yes. We will ask. You answer. What would you like to drink?
Good. Now say, I would like a coffee, please.
What size would you like?
Say, I would like a medium, please.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, I would like sugar, please. Or, no, thank you. Let's do one more full conversation. Slowly.
Hello. What can I get for you?
Hi, I would like an iced coffee, please.
What size would you like?
I would like a large, please.
Do you want milk or sugar?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Very nice. Very smooth.
Yes, and you can do it too. Today, you learned how to order coffee in English. You learned simple, useful, real-life sentences.
Remember the key sentence. I would like a coffee, please.
Practice again, and again, and again.
Practice when you are walking, cooking, or relaxing.
And next time you go to a cafe, try it. Do not be afraid.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
We are happy to learn with you.
And we are proud of you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. Take care and enjoy your coffee.